Hi everybody, how are you? This is Ayetu, Sophia's World. Welcome to Language Power Learning Quechua. Quechua for beginner learners. Lesson 4. Today we are going to learn about animals in the farm. Animals in the farm. In Quechua, Wasipi Uywakuna. Wasipi Uywakuna. Well, we are going to start then with this vocabulary here. This is the farm. We are going to see each animals here in Quechua. The first one, Waipa, Waipa, Chuki, Chuki, Utulo, Utulo, Aihu, Aihu, Waka, Waka, Uña, Uña, Uija, Uija, Cuchi, Cuchi, Misi, Misi, Huyi, Huyi, Caura, Caura, Asno, Asno. Well, we are going to see also new additional vocabulary. Wasi, Wasi, Punku, Punku, Pirja, Pirja, Husni, Husni, Sacha, Sacha, Ñan, Ñan, Waita, 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 Urju, Urju, Inti, Inti, Puyu, Puyu, Wasipa Hatan, Wasipa Hatan, or Wasi Hata. Okay, then we have here the list of vocabulary in Quechua and in English. Okay, repeat after me as the last one. Waipa, Chiuki, Utulo, Aihu, Waka, Uña, Uija, Cuchi, Misi, Huyi, Caura, Asno. The additional vocabulary here, Wasi, Punku, Pirja, Husni, Sacha, Ñan, Waita, Urju, Inti, Puyu, Wasi Hata. Okay, Wasi Hata. So we are going to finish this hour lesson singing a little song in Quechua. We are going to identify vocabulary here. Asnuiki Saraipi. Asnuiki Saraipi. Wakaiki Papaipi. Wakaiki Papaipi. Chayllatapas hawawaj. Chayllatapas hawawaj. Ñuqallapiña ñawiki. Ñuqallapiña ñawiki. So here we have the song in Quechua and the translation in English is in this part, okay? We are going to sing them. Asnuyki saraypi, wakayki papaypi, chayllatapas hawawaq, ñuqallapiña ñawiki, chayllatapas hawawaq, ñuqallapiña ñawiki. Once again. Asnuyki saraypi, wakayki papaypi, chayllatapas hawawaq, ñuqallapiña ñawiki, chayllatapas hawawaq, ñuqallapiña ñawiki. So everybody, I invite you to sing and practice Quechua with this lesson. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget, this is Quechua Chanca. See you soon. Tupananchikama.